Assalamualaikum my dear students and my friends. First of all, Happy New Year to all of you. Hope you will forget your all mistakes that you committed in the past in 2018, and you will welcome all the difficulties, all the uh, good events of your life with smiling face, because when you see the ICU of a life, okay, you will see the ups and downs in that ICU. Okay, means ups and downs are the part of life. Don't wait for the straight line. When the ICU tells us the straight line means person is dead. Okay, so it's my advice to all of you that don't wait for the straight line, yeah. Okay, keep on working hard, keep on working hard, whatever the hope. There is no one, even I am not the person who will not face the problems in 2019, but I am ready to face the problems in 2019. I am ready to face the problems, and uh, I am ready to face the hardships with smiling face. Okay, see, this is the life, because in anywhere, in any stage of life, you have to face some hardship, some difficulties, some problems, and some happy moments as well. Okay, so enjoy the happy moments with smiling faces, and don't cry over split milk. Okay, so I'm giving you a small message. Okay, so try to remember that message and keep on keep it in your diary. Okay, start your pen and open your diary and write that message. My message is simply is that, okay, to my dear friends, so it's time for forget the past and celebrate a new beginning. Okay, so write on that diary that what will you do in 2019 whole year, and what will you do in 6 months, and what will you do in 3 months, and 1 month, and 1 week, and 1 day. Okay, for example, your the FPSC posts are going to be announced in January, or other posts are also going to be announced in February, or in education department, in different departments in government or federal government will announce the post. Okay, so it's a simple message to all of you that whatever what we do, we only prepare for these days only for 10 to 15 days. Okay, the whole night we try to study harder and harder, but instead of this one we do not pass the test. Why we cannot pass the test? Because we only prepare for the 15 days to 20 days. See, you cannot eat a meal of 6 days in a one way, 6 days in a one day. Okay, so just try to start preparation from tomorrow in 2019. For example, your goal is to go in education department in HST, or you want to be a HM, or you want to be a TEO, Talca education officer, or you want to be any custom officers, or you want to be go in any NAB test. Okay, just start. I will also suggest you to go for the parkmcqs.com, and also you can go refer as a Adil Niaz book, okay, for MCQs preparation, as well as the Chaudhry Najib book for MCQs preparation, and also you can get the English book of Chaudhry Najib. There is a separate English book for Chaudhry Najib. Okay, just try to improve your skills, not certificates. Okay, so start working on your arithmetic skills, start working on your English basic English skills, start start practicing on your basic general science from 6th to 8th class. Okay, see whenever you see the test, start working on the Islamiyat and current affair. Okay, go through the World Time magazine. Okay, and find out the current affair related topics. Okay, just start preparing from tomorrow. See, ask the question from yourself that what did you learn in previous day, and what will you learn by tomorrow. If you act on like this one with more effective way, inshallah, within 3 to 4 month preparation, you will easily get a job of 14 to 16 skill. Yeah, it's not a difficult to get a 14 and 16 skill job. It's very easy. It's very easy. But thing is that you just keep on preparing from tomorrow. You will not leave any stone unturned. Just keep on studying only for 3 to 4 hours in a day. Don't wait for the moment, don't wait for the jobs to be announced. Don't wait for the right moment. Just start preparing from tomorrow. Plan your 1 year, what you will get in 1 year. Plan your 1 week, plan your 1 day. See, when you plan all these things, all will come to you. ओके यार आपको इतना कुछ मिलेगा, इतना कुछ मिलेगा, इतना कुछ मिलेगा ना, आप उसका तसव्वुर ही नहीं कर सकते. बिलीव मी. जस्ट आप यार अपनी फील्ड में मास्टर्स तो बने, अपनी फील्ड में मास्टर्स तो बने. 6th से 8th क्लास तक सिर्फ पढ़ना है आपको. 6th से 8th क्लास तक आप जितनी टेस्ट को एनालाइज करेंगे, एफपीएस की जो टेस्ट आ रही है, एसपीएससी की टेस्ट आ रही है, या जो भी एमसीक्यूज ऑब्जेक्टिव 1 पेपर टेस्ट आ रही है, सब में से 6th to 8th क्लास की साइंस है यार, 6th to 8th क्लास की मैथमेटिक्स है, 6th to 8th क्लास की कॉम्प्रीहेंशन है, इंग्लिश है, 6th to 8th क्लास से सिनोनिम्स हैं, एंटोनिम्स हैं, ईडियम्स हैं. ओके 6th to 8th क्लास की इस्लामियात है यार. ओके 6th to 8th क्लास की आपकी जो है पाकिस्तान अफेयर है. और यही करंट अफेयर जो डेली आप न्यूज़ में देखते हैं, वही एमसीक्यूज आ रहे हैं आपके. यार आप प्रिपेयर तो करें. यू विल गेट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. आपको इतना कुछ भी मिलेगा, इतना कुछ मिलेगा यार. तव्हांखे एतिरो कुछ मिलंदो जो तव्हां यकीन था करे सघो. तव्हांखे हर शइ मिलंदी. बस जस्ट ट्रस्ट इन योर सेल्फ. दिस इज़ माई सिंपल मैसेज. Okay, if you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my video, and also press the bell icon, as you can first get my video on notification of my video. Okay, hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz, and happy wishes for you, all of you, in 2019. Okay, hope this year will bring a lot of blessing for you. Thank you so much, my dear friends and students. Assalamu alaikum.